In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Make.com. To begin, open Make.com. On the dashboard, create a new scenario. A scenario is your workspace for building an automation. Think of it as a canvas where you connect apps and define what should happen when certain events occur. Starting with a fresh scenario keeps things clean and focused. Next, add Google Sheets to your scenario. Click the plus button in the canvas, then search for Google Sheets. Each item you add here is called a module. Modules are the building blocks of your automation. They can watch for events, retrieve data, or perform actions. Now choose what you want Google Sheets to do. For this walkthrough, select an action like Watch New Rows. That means Make.com will monitor a specific sheet and react whenever a new row appears. If your use case is different, you can pick another Google Sheets action, but Watch New Rows is perfect for a simple connection test. You'll need to connect your Google Sheets account. If you've connected it before, simply select your existing connection. If this is your first time, click Add. A window will prompt you to sign into your Google account. Make sure you use the account that owns or has access to the spreadsheet you plan to use. When prompted, grant permissions. Click Allow to let Make.com access your Google Sheets. This access is required for Make.com to read from or write to your spreadsheets as the scenario runs. You can review or revoke this access at any time from your Google account settings. With access granted, select exactly where Make.com should look. Choose the correct drive, then pick your spreadsheet, and finally, the specific worksheet. If you use shared drives, make sure to switch to the right one. Double-check you've selected the tab that contains the rows you want to monitor. It's time to test. Click Run once. This runs the scenario a single time to verify the connection and settings are working. If you chose Watch New Rows, add a quick test row in your sheet to trigger the module, then return to Make.com to confirm that data was captured correctly. When everything looks good, save your work. Click Save to store the scenario so you can run it whenever you're ready. Your Google Sheets account is now connected to Make.com, and your scenario is set up to use it. That's it. Your connection is live. Thanks for watching.